My name's Karen, and I'm really hoping you could help us. We've got a disastrous closet. We have drawers and a bureau in here for clothes, but it's just not working. I can't reach up here to put the folded clothes and sweaters up, and there's no organization and shoe boxes and just stuff all over the floor. Do you think you can give us a house call? We'd love to have you over.
Well, I'm going to see if I can give Karen a hand. Hey guys.
Hi, Ron.
How you doing?
Thanks so much
Karen?
for coming.
Hi, how are you?
So you got a closet catastrophe, huh?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah, I'd love to see it.
Let's go.
Stop.
Ron, we're
Okay.
so happy you could come.
Oh my goodness.
Really bad.
This is a perfect closet for a
Oh, good.
makeover.
Good, good.
For make-
Wow.
Makeover,
Yeah, look at
We
this.
hope so.
Shelf is sagging, unused space up here.
Broken door.
Broken door.
Broken door. Wow. Okay. Now you guys have been online, right? You got some ideas?
Yes.
Yep. And drawers,
Yeah,
maybe.
and, just a
I'd
simple
suggested Karen and Fadi use the internet to get some closet organization ideas. They landed on Closet Maid's website, and after a little exploration, came across some designs they felt would solve their problems.
That worked out pretty well. You got
Yeah.
some pretty good thoughts about what you want?
Yes.
The system components they're considering include cabinets with doors, drawer units, open cubbies, and wire racks and shelves. This arrangement will accommodate sweaters and other folded garments, socks, underwear, and lingerie, plenty of shoes, shorter hanging garments like skirts and sport coats, longer hang-ups such as evening dresses, and provide ample shelf space for other foldables and boxes.
All right, so what I suggest we do is hop in my van.
Okay.
Let's go down to the Home Improvement Center
Okay.
and get you some stuff.
Sounds
Okay,
great.
sounds
Let's
good.
do
Let's
it.
do it.
See it?
Yeah, this is it. This is what I saw. That I like the cubbies and the drawers, and that would be perfect for us.
Now this is the solid product here, right?
We need two of each kind, so one for his side and one for my side.
Okay, so there's one to you. Well, that was painless, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Let me just pull this out here, guys. I'll get the shelving. Okay, ready for a little assembly?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Our storage system has 6 cabinets, 2 with drawers, 2 with doors, and 2 with cubbies. Right now, we're going to assemble the cases.
Very good. Directions. Who needs them, right?
No.
Okay.
Cabinet assembly is basically the same for all 6 units. The parts are held together with screws driven into pre-drilled holes. One indispensable tool for this job is a cordless drill fitted with a driver bit. That, and of course, a good bit of couple teamwork.
So it's starting to look like a cabinet. Huh? These are the doors.
This unit has doors which pivot on plastic pins. Other cabinets will be fitted with drawers or dividers. Last step, the back.
I would say it's better to strike a nail than each other.
That's true.
Wow.
That was a lot of
It's
stuff
an
in there.
avalanche of clothes over there, right? It's amazing all those were fitting in there.
Oh
I
my God. I can't believe.
You ready for step 2?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go.
With the clothes cleared out, we waste no time in taking down the old wire shelving and removing the anchors from the wall. Finally, Fadi and I dismount the doors, and demolition is complete. Before we can begin installing the new closet system, we'll need to do a little refurbishing work on the walls. first by filling the holes left by the anchors, then rolling on a fresh coat of paint. With the basics taken care of, we're now ready to put up the new system. It all starts with this hangrail that screws directly into a horizontal 2x4 at the top of the wall called the top plate. We'll run the hangrail the entire length of the closet. Oh, we're making some progress. You know, what I love about this system we're about to put in is its flexibility, its adjustability, if you will. You can move shelves up or down, you can move things left or right. Now, we put in that hangrail up there first, and you know, that's what's going to really take all the weight. From that, we're going to hang these standards. They just hook in to the rail like that, and they can be placed anywhere along the rail. And then everything else in this system right here attaches to these standards, into these slots right here. So if your needs change later on, more kids, less kids as they move out, whatever, you can reconfigure this closet to meet your needs.
Great.
That's great.
Remember now, the hangrail at the top carries the weight of this entire system. However, to keep the standards from swinging side to side, we'll drill a hole, tap in a wall anchor, and install a single screw near the middle. There you go, standard number 2.
Standard number 2.
The cabinets assembled earlier all have clips attached to the rear that hook directly into the slots on the standards. Okay, one wire shelf at 60.
Okay, you got it. And this is 60.
Okay, let's cut. With the cabinets up, we move right on to the shelving. After measuring, we trim each one to length using a pair of bolt cutters, then slip caps over the ends. Each shelf is supported by several of these brackets, which hook into the shelf standards. The shelves sit on top and snap securely into place. These brackets fasten onto the shelves, and the hanging rods, in turn, clip into them. And these hook into the standards to hold the shoe rack, which is simply a shelf installed upside down at an angle.
Oh, wow. Alex, look at the closet.
Hey, we are
That
almost
looks
done.
wonderful.
Alex, we're just putting in your shoe rack here.
I love all
What do you
the
think?
space with the
Huh?
hangers.
Wow. You happy with this?
Oh, it's beautiful. This is exactly what we wanted.
Oh,
Well,
new
Alex is
toy.
demonstrating the drawers. They work, right, Alex? Want to try this one over here?
Try the other one.
See, this can be your drawer. There you go.
That's for
Give
the
it a
shoes,
shot.
I guess. Oh, that's wonderful.
Nice, huh? Yeah, shoes up here, or maybe
Yeah.
scarves, and then, you know, clothes storage up here. And then all the way across the top now, you've got shelving for that space that was unusable before.
Perfect.
You know, and the great thing about this is you guys can reconfigure this whenever you want to, because it's all hanging on those standards. You can add to it, replace bars with cabinets, or vice versa.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's great. I never knew it could look like this.
Which part is yours? Which part is mine?
Yeah.
That side's
It
mine.
means that size.
Okay, this right here is yours.
If you get half of this closet, I got to tell you, you're going to be in the minority of guys. I once figured guys get about 15 to 20% of the total closet space. That's it.
Yeah,
You know?
I think so. I mean, my shoes could take up the whole closet.
If I get
probably.
15, it's fine for me.
So, shall we put the clothes back?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, I'm going to hit the road. Tools are all packed up. I leave you with one very important thought. An organized closet begets an organized mind.
I like that.
Yeah?
So you're ready to go
Yep.
here.
Yeah, and our minds are organized now too.
Yes. So as your mind is organized, are your clothes. Okay. I think we've got the philosophy of this pretty well covered, right?
Yeah.
All you got to do is put your doors back up. You going to put new doors on?
Doors? What doors?
We may just sit and enjoy the closet the way it is now.
Come on,
Yeah,
really?
it's so nice and organized. We don't want to get back into our old ways.
Boy, what a compliment. Okay, well, I'll leave that up to you guys. All right?
Yeah.
I'm going to head out.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks for everything.
Give me a hug there, big
Thanks
guy.
for
Come on. All right.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.